This tutorial deals with the creation and editing of a video in Apple's iMovie 09. Let's start by taking a look at iMovie's layout. As you can see, there are four major sections to iMovie's user interface: the Project Library, the Events Library, the Clips Viewer, and the Preview window where you can see both your final project and each individual clip. We've got lots of other buttons to look at as well, and we'll deal with some of them as we move forward. iMovie gives us three ways to collect video clips for use in our project. The first way is to import video clips from an external video camera. To do this, simply click the button with the video camera icon. The import window will pop up showing you all the clips that are on your camera. Simply click Import All, and you can create a new event or use an existing one. Click Import, and iMovie takes care of the rest. The second way to get video into our project is to record directly from the iSight camera built into the Macintosh. I'm going to click the same button, but this time instead of clips from the external camera, I'm going to see what the iSight camera sees. I can easily click Capture to get video into my project. The third way to get clips is to import them from somewhere else on your hard drive. Click File, go to Import, Movies, and you can select clips from anywhere. Let's take this one called Website from my desktop. Click Import, and it will be added to my Clips viewer. Now that you've collected your footage, you're ready to start editing some video. For our purposes, let's say we want to create a recruiting video for a music department. First, create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Let's call it Recruiting. We can choose the aspect ratio, and we can choose from several themes designed by Apple. We're going to go with none. Once you have your options set, click Create to create the project. Once you're ready to add clips to your project, simply roll your mouse over the clip that you want to use, click and drag to get the appropriate length, and then drag the clip into the project itself. We can scroll through our clips library to find another clip to use. Again, click and drag for the length, and then drag the clip into the project. Oops, I've put these clips in the wrong order. I'm going to grab this second clip and move it to the front of my project. iMovie makes it very easy to add transitions between the clips of our project. Click the Transitions browser, and you can see Apple gives us several transitions to choose from. We're going to go with a simple cross dissolve for our project. Grab the transition you want, and drag it between your two clips. Now if we play the video, we'll see in our preview window, the transition has already been added. Let's quickly add three new elements to our project: photo, title, and finally music. To add a photo, first open the Photos browser by clicking this button with the camera icon. This opens your iPhoto library. I'm going to grab this photo of the choir and drag it into my project. As you can see, iMovie has put the photo in, and I want to make it a little bit longer. It's in there for 4 seconds. Let's make it 7 seconds. Now we have a second photo, and as I scroll back and forth, you can see that iMovie has already added a Ken Burns effect. We can edit the Ken Burns effect by going to the Cropping, Ken Burns, and Rotation editor. As you can see, we have a start box and an end box. I'm going to move the start box up, select the end box, and move it down, just to change the way that the camera moves across the photo. And now if I play the movie, we see our Ken Burns effect in action. Now let's add a title to our video. I'm going to select the Titles browser. As you can see, again, we have many options. Choose the one that we like. Let's take Sideways Drift and drag it over the clip that we want the title to appear over. Add your text. And we can edit the font if we want to, but let's go ahead and leave this where we have it. Click Done. And if we preview our movie, we see our newly added text. Finally, let's add music to the video. If I click on the Music Notes button, it opens the iTunes library, and I'm going to search for a song called Winter Games. There, I found it. I'm going to take the 38-second version. I click and drag the song into my project. As you can see, it's added an audio track, and we now have music in our video. The last step in creating your video is exporting it in such a way that it can be shared with other people. Click the Share menu and you can see the options that iMovie provides, including a direct upload to YouTube. We can also send the movie over to iDVD, or we can export the movie into a file. We go to the export option, we get the export dialog box, and you can see we have several different options of resolution of the video and therefore file size. Once we've selected the option we want, click export, and we're done.